Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the future of gardening. Imagine lush greenery and the freshest veggies right in your home. Urban gardening transforms even the smallest spaces into thriving green havens. Whether you're an apartment dweller craving fresh herbs or a seasoned gardener, this video will spark some serious inspiration. So grab your gardening gloves and get ready to create a garden that's beautiful, productive, and sustainable. Let's get started now. Now, let's talk hydroponics. This is gardening on a whole new level. Imagine growing fresh produce without soil. Instead of soil, plants get nutrients from a water-based solution, using up to 90% less water. Plants grow faster and produce more because they aren't fighting through dense soil. Hydroponics isn't just for experts anymore. There are affordable kits perfect for beginners. Start small with a countertop herb garden and expand as you gain confidence. Fresh basil, mint, and lettuce all year round, right from your kitchen counter. You can grow almost anything: leafy greens, tomatoes, peppers. The initial investment might seem daunting, but it pays off in the long run. Think about all the money you'll save on groceries and reducing your carbon footprint. If you're looking to maximize yields in limited space, hydroponics is the way to go. It's modern, efficient, and a game changer for urban gardening. All right, y'all, if hydroponics blew your mind, get ready for aquaponics. This innovative system takes things to the next level by combining aquaculture and hydroponics into one seamless, symbiotic environment. Imagine a closed-loop system where fish and plants support each other's growth. It's like having a mini ecosystem right in your backyard, or even inside your home. Fish waste provides nutrients for plants, and plants clean the water for fish. This natural cycle reduces the need for chemical fertilizers and keeps the water clean and healthy for the fish. You get fresh produce and delicious fish while minimizing water waste. It's a win-win situation for both you and the environment. It might sound complicated, but it's more manageable than you think. With a bit of initial setup, you can have a thriving system that practically takes care of itself. There are starter kits available to set up your own aquaponics system at home. These kits come with everything you need to get started, making the process straightforward and accessible. Start small with a few herbs and some goldfish, then expand as you get comfortable. As you gain confidence, you can add more plants and fish to your system. Imagine harvesting fresh herbs for dinner from your living room ecosystem. It's not just practical, it's also a great conversation starter and a way to bring a bit of nature indoors. Aquaponics is incredibly low maintenance once it's up and running. The system's natural balance means less work for you and more time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. The system takes care of itself, so you can relax and enjoy the results. Automated features can further reduce the need for daily maintenance, making it even easier to manage. For a sustainable and rewarding gardening experience, explore aquaponics. It's a fantastic way to grow your own food while being mindful of the environment. It's a game changer and might just be the future of food production. Urban areas, in particular, can benefit from this efficient and space-saving method of farming. Fresh, organic produce and fish, all while being kind to the planet. You can enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing exactly where your food comes from. It's a beautiful dance between nature and technology. The harmony between the two creates a sustainable and efficient system that benefits everyone involved. Dive into aquaponics and see the incredible results for yourself. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete novice, this innovative approach to gardening is sure to impress. Now, let's talk about those of us who are short on square footage but big on gardening dreams. You might think that a lack of space means you can't have a lush, productive garden, but that's far from the truth. Urban gardening is all about getting creative and maximizing every inch of space. It's about thinking outside the box and finding innovative ways to grow your favorite plants. First up, let's talk vertical gardening. This method is a game changer for small spaces. Vertical planters allow you to grow upwards instead of outwards. This means you can have a garden even if you only have a small balcony or a tiny backyard. You can find vertical planters in all shapes and sizes, perfect for balconies. From sleek, modern designs to rustic DIY options, there's something for every style. Imagine a cascade of vibrant strawberries or a wall covered in lush herbs. Not only do they look beautiful, but they also provide fresh produce right at your fingertips. Next, we have balcony gardens, transforming your balcony into an edible paradise. With the right setup, you can grow a surprising amount of food. Think colorful hanging baskets with cherry tomatoes and fragrant herbs. These not only save space, but also add a touch of greenery to your living area. Even dwarf fruit trees can thrive on a balcony. Imagine picking fresh apples or lemons right outside your door. Windowsill herb gardens are a classic for a reason. They are easy to maintain and perfect for those who love to cook with fresh herbs. Even a tiny windowsill can grow fresh herbs for your kitchen. Basil, mint, and parsley are just a few examples of herbs that do well indoors. Choose compact varieties well suited for container gardening. These plants are bred to thrive in smaller spaces and still produce a good yield. Dwarf tomatoes and miniature cucumbers are amazing options. They are compact, yet they produce plenty of delicious fruits. You'll be amazed at how much you can grow in small spaces. With the right techniques and plant choices, your small garden can be incredibly productive. Urban gardening is about creativity and maximizing your space. It's about making the most of what you have and turning it into something beautiful and useful. With these hacks, you can create a thriving garden anywhere. From vertical gardens to container plants, the possibilities are endless. Let's make the most of our urban spaces and grow something amazing. Whether you have a balcony, a windowsill, or just a small corner, you can create a green oasis that brings joy and fresh produce into your life. Now, y'all know I love bringing the outdoors in, and what better way than by growing your own olive tree indoors. These beautiful Mediterranean trees can thrive inside with the right care. Imagine the ambiance an olive tree brings to your living room. Olive trees are surprisingly low maintenance. They prefer bright, indirect light and their soil to dry out between waterings. You can harvest olives from your indoor tree with patience and care. Even if it doesn't produce fruit right away, it's a stunning addition to any home. Olive trees add elegance and sophistication to any space. They're known for their air-purifying qualities, benefiting your health. If you're looking for a unique houseplant, try an olive tree. With love and attention, it will thrive and bring Mediterranean charm to your home. Now, y'all, we can't talk about the future of gardening without talking about sustainability. It's a concept that goes beyond just planting and harvesting. It's about creating a harmonious relationship with nature, ensuring that our gardening practices contribute positively to the environment. It's about creating a garden that's beautiful, productive, and kind to our planet. A garden that not only provides us with fresh produce and vibrant flowers, but also supports the local ecosystem and conserves resources. Even small changes can make a big difference. Simple adjustments in our gardening habits can lead to significant positive impacts on the environment. One easy way to make your garden more sustainable is by composting kitchen scraps. Instead of throwing away food waste, you can turn it into valuable compost that enriches your soil. Turn food waste into nutrient-rich gold for your plants. Composting not only reduces waste, but also improves soil health, leading to stronger and more resilient plants. Start a compost bin in your backyard, or use compact indoor composting systems. These systems are easy to set up and maintain, making composting accessible to everyone, even those with limited space. Another impactful change is choosing pollinator-friendly plants. These plants attract bees, butterflies, and other pollinators, which are crucial for the reproduction of many plants. Bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds are essential for a healthy ecosystem. They help in the pollination process, which is vital for the growth of fruits, vegetables, and flowers. Look for brightly colored flowers to attract these beneficial pollinators. Flowers like sunflowers, lavender, and marigolds are excellent choices. Consider adding a bug hotel to your garden for beneficial insects. These structures provide a safe haven for insects that help control pests and pollinate plants. These structures provide shelter for natural predators of garden pests. Ladybugs, lacewings, and other beneficial insects can thrive in these environments, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. Water conservation is crucial. Use a rain barrel to collect rainwater. This simple practice can save a significant amount of water and reduce your water bill. Use this free, natural water source to irrigate your plants. Rainwater is often softer and free of the chemicals found in tap water, making it better for your plants. Choose organic gardening methods to avoid harsh chemicals. Organic gardening promotes the use of natural fertilizers and pest control methods, which are safer for the environment and your health. Natural alternatives like compost tea and neem oil are effective. These methods not only protect your plants, but also enhance soil fertility and plant health. Protect the environment and ensure healthy produce for your family. By adopting sustainable practices, you can grow nutritious and chemical-free food. Small, sustainable changes can have a big impact on your garden. Each step you take towards sustainability contributes to a healthier planet. Let's create gardens that are beautiful, productive, and kind to our planet. Gardens that not only bring joy and beauty into our lives, but also support the environment. Embrace sustainability and make a difference in your gardening practices. Together, we can create a greener, more sustainable future for generations to come. Well, there you have it, folks. 5 garden goals for 2025 that will transform your space and your perspective on gardening. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or just starting out, I hope these ideas inspire you to embrace the future of growing. Remember, gardening is a journey, not a destination. Experiment, try new things, and most importantly, have fun. Let me know which garden goals you're most excited to try in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening inspiration.